Okay, guys, one last question for tonight. Let's do example 4. Okay, given the formula t equals to 4p multiplied by the square root of m squared minus n squared, express m in terms of p and n, p, and t. Okay, so let's locate your m. Where is it? Your m is stuck here. Goodness, we're gonna have to save the m from everything else around it. Okay, all these 4p and all these n squared have to go. Okay, so let's write down the formula first. T is equals to 4p multiplied by m square minus n square. Okay, remember I told you we try to get rid of the things that are furthest away from the m first. Okay, so let's get rid of the 4p. Okay, so this is actually 4p multiplied by the square root of m squared minus n squared. So we will bring it over to this side, divide. Okay, this will be divide by 4p. So what's left is just m square minus n square. Okay, next we are going to get rid of this square root. Okay, how do we get rid of this square root? Okay, so the opposite of square root is actually square. Okay, so if I were to get rid of the square root over here, okay, we're going to bring it over the square root. So we will have the opposite of square root is square, right guys? So we are going to write it square like that. Now there's no more square root on my right side, left only m square minus n square. Okay, so let's get rid of the next one. Negative n squared. Bring it over. Okay, negative n squared, bring over, become positive n squared. So write down t, okay, over 4p squared, positive n squared is equals to m squared. Okay, almost there. I'm going to write down the m squared. Okay, almost there. So I put the m square on the left side. T over 4p bracket square plus n square. Okay, the last step is to get rid of this square. Okay, so we're going to bring it over to the other side. What's the opposite of square? Okay, square root, right? So opposite of square root is square, but opposite of square is square root. So bring it over. Okay, so we're going to have square root. Okay, opposite of square is square root, right? So square root of what? Everything that is on the right side, guys. So everything t over 4p square plus n square. So there you go. You got m as your subject and everything else. Okay, you have answered the question. Express m in terms of n, p, and t. Okay, done.